In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to pair these two powerful tools together. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Lovable website at lovable.dev. If you haven't already signed in, you'll want to do that now. Simply enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're new to Lovable or don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. It's a straightforward process that involves providing a few details such as your email and password. Once you've signed in, you'll see various options at the top right of the page. Among these is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to customizing and adjusting the settings for your account, including setting up integrations like the one we'll be doing today. Next, select the settings option. Here, you'll find a series of tabs or sections where you can manage different aspects of your account. Look for the section labeled integrations. This is where you can connect Lovable with other platforms and services that you use frequently. Within the integration section, you'll see an option for GitHub. Click on it to start the connection process. If this is your first time connecting Lovable to GitHub, you might want to take a moment to read through any prompts or additional information provided, as it could offer useful details about what features will be available once connected. Now you'll see a button labelled Connect GitHub. Clicking this will initiate the authorization process needed to link your accounts. It's important to ensure that you are logged into the GitHub account you wish to connect to Lovable. If you haven't logged into GitHub yet, the system will prompt you to do so. After clicking to connect, you'll be redirected to a page asking you to authorize Lovable. Here, simply click authorize lovable.dev to grant the necessary permissions. This step is crucial as it allows Lovable to interact with your GitHub account on your behalf securely, facilitating smoother integrations and more efficient workflow management. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Lovable to GitHub. With these two accounts linked, you can take full advantage of the collaborative features offered by both platforms, improving your project management and collaboration efforts significantly. If you followed the steps as outlined, everything should be up and running smoothly now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to check the help resources on Lovable or GitHub, or reach out to their respective support teams for assistance. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and guides. Happy collaborating!